Hi everyone, so the BYBIT P2P team sent me this box as a gift, and I've decided to unbox it in front of you guys so we can see what is inside this box together. So I'm going to open the box right now. Okay, wow. Okay, so there's a note right here inside the box, and I'm going to try and read it out for you guys. Dear BYBIT trader, I'm intrigued to inform you that you have been chosen as one of our lucky users to receive our gift box. We just wanted to thank you for being part of our big family. We are very grateful for your continued support because we wouldn't be here without your loyalty. Thank you. We appreciate you sticking with us. Thank you for once more and have a wonderful day. Truly, BYBIT P2P team. Thank you guys. I really appreciate this. And also in this box we have this awesome water bottle. Wow. We got this BYBIT P2P trading right here. And then we have a face cap right here. Okay. I'm going to be trying this later. That fell down. And also we have a round neck top right here, P2P trading right here, and at the back we have a BYBIT right here. So these are all the things inside the box. So you can see the box is empty. So I want to appreciate the BYBIT P2P team for this amazing gift. I really appreciate this, guys. And for you guys that don't know about BYBIT P2P, it is the best platform to buy and sell your cryptocurrencies through P2P. And if you don't know how to go about this, I have a video on that. I have a tutorial video on that. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. And not just that, I also have a video on how you can verify your BYBIT account and get up to $3,000 bonus as a new user. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. And also, if you want to learn how to make money with copy trading on the BYBIT platform, I also have a video on that. The link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and to the BYBIT P2P team again, I'll say a very big thank you. And to you guys that are supporting me, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.